For the third question, they are asking us to trim the surface at the end of the mouse. So basically they are trying to test your knowledge about the trimming surface inside SOLIDWORKS. So this is the image that I have provided for question number 3. One line is there of 115 and we have to give some angle and then cut it, or we can say trim it, and then measure this top surface, right? And then what is the surface area of the top surface we have to find. Let's go to our part, and here we can simply take our front plane, go to sketch, and what we can do is we can take one construction line, draw a line like this, give it a dimension 115. I hope that's the value. Yeah. And after that I will draw another line, so basically one line here and another construction line like this, and then give them an angle of 5 degrees, right? So we'll use this line as the trim surface for our part. So let's exit the sketch and let's go to trim surface. For the tool, we'll select the surface, keep selections, or you can just come here and go for standard. Trim tool will be our sketch, and for the surface we'll keep this surface. So basically we have two options inside trim surface. We are going to use the standard one for this one because we already have the sketch. In case you don't have the sketch, you can use the mutual one, but that is for another purpose. I will show you in some other videos next time. So for this question, I think we are good to go. We keep the selection and select this one, and let's press the green tick. You can see a nice clean trimming done over here. So let's measure that. 3726. Let's go to our answer. 3723.81 plus minus 40. So it's pretty much close to the answer, and thus it's the correct answer for this question. I hope you guys like this and understand the trim tool inside SOLIDWORKS. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Make sure to subscribe. Peace out.